Hi there, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my Shahi Paneer recipe. If you are looking for a warming, comforting vegetarian dish to serve for supper, look no further. It's one of my very favorite dishes and is sure to become one of yours too. So what are you waiting for? This delicious curry that is fit for royalty can be on your table tonight. Go ahead and treat yourself. Cause this Shahi Paneer is sure to fill your bellies and warm your souls. Shahi Paneer literally means paneer for the royalty. So it is cooked with ingredients that impart richness to the dish like cream and nuts. Shahi Paneer is made in two ways, the old style without tomatoes as these were introduced much later in India, and the modern one, restaurant style with tomatoes, which comes closer to paneer butter masala. The one I'm sharing today is with tomatoes. Cooking spices and gravies in curries is really important. The taste actually depends on it. There is a tip I would like to add to cool the gravy mixture completely before grinding. Hot liquids can expand and explode when you blend them in the blender, creating pressure from inside that blows off the lid. The best case is that the liquid spurts all over your kitchen, a real mess to clean up. The worst case is that you or others nearby are burnt by the hot liquid. So never ever put hot food in a blender. Another tip is to strain the gravy, very important step. This process will help you to get that smooth and creamy texture in your gravy. Cover and cook the gravy on low heat, stirring occasionally. Because it can burn because we added cashews in it. When the curry is almost done, add in some sugar and jaggery in it to balance out the flavors and tanginess in the curry from tomatoes. This Shahi Paneer gravy is full of aromatic flavors including onion, ginger, garlic, red chili powder and cardamom, balanced out with thick cream. This lightened up version of Shahi Paneer is perfect for special occasions. If you have any suggestions or queries for this recipe, share it in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. I mean, just look at this. This is so delicious. You can enjoy Shahi Paneer with some hot chapatis or pranthas or naan. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Bye!